Hello everyone. Again, I'm Dr. Lynn Estrella Sese. Today we will talk about condition that many women are familiar with but often misunderstand. Myoma or fibroids. So, over the years, marami akong nakikitang patients sa clinic who are worried and even fearful or takot na takot because they were being told that they have myomas. So in this video, we will separate myths from facts so that you will understand what myoma are, when to be concerned, and what to do about it. Maiintindihan nyo kung ano ang myoma, kailan kayo dapat mag-alala, at ano ang pwede nyong magawa sa ngayon. So let's begin. Myth number 1. Myomas are cancerous. Fact: myomas are non-cancerous growth of the uterus. They are actually very common and benign. Myth number 2. Only older women can have myomas. Ang myoma tumutubo lamang sa mga matatanda. Fact: myomas can occur in reproductive age group, around 30 to 50 years of age. Myth number 3. Having a myoma means I cannot get pregnant or hindi ako mabubuntis. Fact: many women with myomas conceive and gave birth normally. Fertility issues in myoma depends on the size, the location, and the symptoms of the patient. Myth number 4. Surgery is the only option. But not always. Management of myomas depends on the size of the myoma, its location, the symptoms of the patient, the age of the patient, and your plan of pregnancy. So kailangan natin i-consider ang edad ng pasyente, ano ang kanyang mga nararamdaman, anong kalaki ang myoma, saan siya makikita, so may balak pa bang magbuntis ang isang babae. So we can use medications, minimally invasive surgery, or simply observe if the myoma is not causing any symptoms or wala namang nararamdaman ng pasyente. Myth number 5. Myomas always grow back. Fact: hindi lahat. Merong myomang bumabalik, merong hindi. Depende yan sa hormones ng pasyente at depende sa edad ng pasyente. The younger you are, the more prone balik sa mas bata. Pag mas malapit ka na sa menopause or menopause ka, least likely na bumalik siya because karamihan ng myoma nagsishrink during menopause. So myoma is not something to fear. Hindi siya dapat katakutan. Isa siyang kondisyon na dapat maintindihan at dapat mabantayan. So if you're diagnosed with myoma, don't panic. Kausapin niyo lang ang doktor niyo about the best approach for you. Kasi hindi lahat ng management sa lahat ng babae ay pare-pareho. Depende ito sa pangangatawan, sa edad, sa simptomas, at sa mga plano or future plan ng pasyente. So if you found this video helpful, please like, follow, and share to your friends, to your colleagues, to your neighbors, so that more women would have the right information for their reproductive health. Remember, awareness is the best step for empowerment. This is Dr. Lynn Estrella Sese. Thank you for watching.